Question: is coins more important or profit? In this video, I delve deeply into this issue, so make sure to stay with me until the end of the video.
Hello to all my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about whether having 1 billion coins is better or having 1 million profit. Let's first address the issue by heading over to the Hamster Telegram channel. Initially, Hamster was supposed to provide tokens based on the number of coins, but due to high audience demand, they changed their decision. In a post on their Telegram channel, they mentioned that they will give you tokens based on your profit. However, in my opinion, it's better to try to create a balance between your profit and your coins. Because the creators of this robot have changed their minds once before, and as I said, instead of coins, they value profit more. Now it's possible that they might change their mind again, so be prepared for anything. Now a more important issue, which is the most important part of the video. Guys, pay attention that Hamster announced on their Telegram channel that they will give you tokens based on your profit and some other factors. So paying attention to these factors could be as important as increasing your profit and collecting coins. Now what are these important factors? For example, upgrading your level. An interesting point you may not know is that if you have a lower profit, your level is higher than someone who has more profit but is in a lower level. Or for example, the rewards they give you every day. Or the tasks you need to do in the income section. I suggest you do all these things carefully and get your daily rewards. Apart from these things, cards are also very important, and try to raise the levels of your cards, but again, pay attention to the balance between the cards section and your coins and profit. I mean, don't buy an expensive card that has little profit. Try to buy valuable cards. Another important point is special cards that you should try to buy all of them, even those that do not provide profit. All these things I mentioned are considered in a score and may be used in the main formula, which no one knows exactly what it is. For example, suppose they calculate it in a way that your profit is low but you bought all the special cards, so you get more tokens compared to someone who has higher profit than you. But be aware that what I just said is just an example, and no one exactly knows how the calculation method is. Well guys, this was today's video. I hope it was useful. If you liked it, be sure to like the video and write your comments in the comments section for me.